Hey, welcome back to another episode of Eagle's Kitchen. I'm your host, Dante Williams, and today we're going to be making hamburger steak. As we're making our main dish, we're going to be preparing two sides. One side of green beans with bacon and another side of mashed potatoes. We're going to start listing all of our ingredients in the description below.
The ingredients for this recipe are shown in the picture. What's not shown is salt, McCormicks brown gravy package, 2 cups of beef broth, and 3 cans of 4-ounce mushrooms. We use a mixing bowl to add our hamburger steak ingredients. We add our 3 pounds of ground meat, 2 eggs, 1 whole onion minced, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of Tony's Creole seasoning, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and the crushed crackers. Using your hands, blend the ingredients together. After blending everything together, begin making your patties. Use your hands to gently form the meat into balls, then lightly press into 4-inch wide, 1-inch thick patties. Place on a cookie sheet with wax paper so that the meat will easily be removed when ready. Repeat this process until all patties are formed. Place the patties in a hot skillet to sear. This takes approximately 4 to 6 minutes on each side. We want to cook our meat between medium rare to medium. We will fully cook once we make our gravy. After we seared all of our patties, let's begin making our gravy. We're going to use the oils produced by the patties. I believe we only used 1.5 onions sliced. Go ahead and separate them so that the onions can cook evenly. Add 3 cans of 4-ounce mushrooms and let them cook until your veggie softens or becomes translucent. To help make our gravy, we're using 2 packages of McCormicks brown gravy mix. Although we can make the gravy ourselves by adding cornstarch or flour, we thought the gravy mix would help make the hamburger steak easy and simple, and it adds to the flavor. After we add the mix to the skillet, we stir it all together for about a minute. We then add 2 cups or cans of beef broth. Continue stirring until your gravy thickens. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. At this time, taste your gravy. Add more seasoning as needed to your desired preference. Let it come to a boil. Then add your patties. This is when we let the juices / gravy soak into the meat and thoroughly cook as desired. This may be about 10 minutes. Stir it around occasionally so that it does not stick. As our meal is almost complete, let me start on the bacon and green beans as well as our mashed potatoes. Well, we forgot to turn on the cameras, so here's the final product.
Hi everybody, I'm sneaking in to take a taste test while Dante's outside. I think it's ready.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and if you try this recipe, comment down below what you think. Now it's your turn to try.